Ninkinga yenu ukuthi understand ukuthi ama-player they are human beings. At the end of the day, they are human beings. Hey, the Pirates, send my player way to we support our players, but at the end of the day, you insult my players the way you insult them. Look at Unam Tajer, how it's affecting him. Nize niyakuma DM niyamthuka. You did the same thing on Mashilwan. The right back is Kukun. You did the same thing on Mashilwan. Some of us went to our DMs wabo and apologized on your behalf. We understand if it comes from our opponents are insulting our player way to, it's fine, it's football. But the problem is when it comes from us, I'm a supporter with Pirates, to our player with Pirates, it changes. Uthi supporter kodwa ukwaze ekhaya. Kanjani? Ayisebenzi into le. Ungayenza ngathi nentandokazi yethu Relebohile Mofokeng never messed up. Beginning of the season, first half of the season, he was nowhere to be found. Mofokeng was nowhere to be found. But we gave him so much support. We supported Mofokeng throughout. We wanted him with starting 11 the whole time. Why is it because we intandokazi Mofokeng? Unamtajela doesn't have a good game. He doesn't perform well, but Chigi samjigel. We don't even want to know what he won. Umbule namthanda again. Umbule, even if you want to win your game, which no, it doesn't fit, you still want Umbule. Why am I to spark head as I'm a pagania? Why is Ketabanyabantu? These guys are playing football. Coach abadlalisa yona. If coach bagabona ukuthi lamajita abamniki productivity nentephelele abayifunayo, kube dala abakhipha nama-player. Kube dala abadla i-bench, kube dala abadla ama-loan, kube dala abahlala phayana kuma-reserve. Let's respect our players. We are going to play CAF Champions League the following season. We are going to play those kind of games. We need to support our players as much as possible. Asenze into right, please.